Hi, my name is Aidan and I'm going to show you how to use your buyer control panel on Goodada's inspection website. The first thing that you must do is you must obviously go on to the Goodada inspection website. You must have to be registered on Goodada so that you can sign in. Video instructions on how to do this are available for you to view elsewhere on this website. You need to enter your email address and your password up here in the sign in section. Once you have entered the information, you then press the login button. This will direct you to your control panel. The control panel allows you to order inspections, pay for inspections, be updated on the progress of your inspections, receive the results and report of your inspections, and retain all your inspection records in one place. Your control panel contains the following information: the inspection reference number, the name of the factory that's to be inspected, the country where the inspection is going to take place, the location in the country where the inspection is going to take place, the type of inspection that you've ordered, what order reference number you may have provided, the price of the inspection, the date the inspection is due to take place, the payment status of your inspection, whether a report is available or ready to be uploaded, and the status of your inspection. In the first inspection line here, we see that an inspection has been done, it has been passed by the inspector, and there's a report available for upload. To receive the report, one must go over to the inspection number, click on the button, then scroll down to the bottom, and one will see at the bottom of the information a report here that can be downloaded. The second line shows that an inspection has been placed in Germany for a container loading inspection. It has been ordered by me, who wants the inspection, but it is yet to be confirmed by the inspector. So what happens at the moment is that we are awaiting confirmation from Goodada's inspectors to assign a price to the inspection that I've requested. The third line shows that I have placed an inspection in Vietnam, that the inspection has been confirmed by Goodada's inspectors, that Goodada's inspectors have assigned a price to the inspection, and that I must now issue payment before the inspection can be conducted. To make payment, I can click on this button and I am directed to a website where I can issue payment. The fourth line shows an inspection that I've placed, and Goodada have made a date change on the inspection day. That's why the boxes have been changed in colour. All colours are explained up in the top section here. Thank you for your time, and please click on to our other assistance videos.